Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Peach and Lily Peptide Pro Firming Moisturizer. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, vlogs, and also art videos. If you like this kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. It also says that all the skin types can use it, whether it be normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. Well, it's not true. Okay, there is one ingredient here which is not right and it can clog the pores, but it is in very minute amount. And this is one thing that I don't like about the companies, that they don't give out the concentrations of how much is the amount of particular ingredient. Let's say the first ingredient can be like 90% and then the second ingredient is like 5%. I want that, description to tell you in detail like what ingredient is doing what, and if it's in higher amount, will it clog the pores, will it be not suitable for the oily skin type. So I need to tell you all that in detail, but the companies never disclose it. This is like one of the things that is not right about skincare industry, because you don't know what's the actual concentration and how it will react to your skin. Anyways, I'm still going to be breaking down all the ingredients and I'm going to be trying to tell you what is the concentration of each ingredient and is it right for all skin types. The first ingredient here is water, next is butylene glycol, and then there is glycerin. Butylene glycol and glycerin are two humectants which help with the hydration of the skin. So these are suitable for dry skin types, and yes, if it's in a higher amount, it's a humectant, so it will hold water to the top layer of the skin, helping it to penetrate into the top layer of the skin and helping it to get hydrated. There is another humectant here, that is 1,2-hexanodenol. So the butylene glycol, glycerin, and 1,2-hexanodenol, these all are like mild humectants. They don't act as sodium hyaluronate, which draws out water not only from the surrounding but also from the deeper layers of the skin. So the glycerin as well as butylene glycol and the 1,2-hexanodenol, they sit on the top layer, but they don't take the water from the deep layers of the skin. So these are the favorable choice for the humectants when compared to the hyaluronic acid itself. Then there is cetearyl alcohol, and then there is capric triglycerides. So these two are emollients and they act as a shield to retain that moisture into the skin and also moisturize your skin. Then there is collagen extract. Okay, now collagen onto the skin. Collagen cannot penetrate into the deep layers of the skin. Okay, they have a huge molecule. They sit on the top layer. They cannot penetrate. This is a myth when collagen is used in the skincare industry. People think that collagen does itself have something to do with the skin. No, it doesn't, because collagen, when ingested, when you drink collagen, it might lead to the skin, but usually it is taken up by the body because of our joints, the different layers of the organ, they all need collagen. Okay, and once you take it inside, when you ingest it, it's the different body parts take it first, and then the remaining collagen is given to the skin. So when you apply it on the skin, it doesn't get penetrated. It doesn't show any signs of reduction in wrinkle or reduction in any sorts of aging problem. But people do think that, oh, if I use collagen creams, it might show some benefits. Here, the collagen extract is in higher amount. Usually collagen helps with giving you that nice hydration. Even when you drink collagen powder, you can still see that you have an improved hydration on the skin. So it's more towards hydration. There is also this Biodance face mask, which is made from collagen. But you can see that on the top layer of the skin it sits, but it brings the hydration. It doesn't, do any sort of, anti-aging job like reducing the wrinkles, reducing the fine lines. It just keeps your skin hydrated. Okay, then there are 12 different peptides here. Okay, I'm gonna name them one after another. There is acetyl hexapeptide 8, dipeptide 2, acetyl tripeptide 5, oligopeptide 1, copper tripeptide 1, tripeptide 1, palmitoyl tripeptide 5, palmitoyl tripeptide 1, nanopeptide 1, hexapeptide 9, palmitoyl pentapeptide 4, and then there is polypeptide 1. Wow, they have added like numerous peptides into the skincare formulation. I think I'm very happy that they added so many peptides, because every peptide has its own role to play. But majorly, the peptides help in production of collagen and fibroblast, which are very essential to bring back that healthy skin barrier, to bring back that rigidity, that firmness to the skin. When you have a saggy skin or you live in a very polluted place, you are prone to be aged, okay? And also the sun exposure leads to disruption of collagen. So to bring back that collagen levels, to bring back that elastin, the fibroblast, you need peptides into your skincare routine. This is one of the essential ingredient if you have an aging skin and you want to, get that, glow on the face, you want to give that skin a firm, shape, then the peptides play a very essential role. They have also added different amino acids in this formulation. Now, amino acids help with the holding two skin cells together. It helps with the transepidermal water loss. So it is produced by our body, amino acids. But when you tropically apply amino acids, it helps the ruptured or the compromised skin to bring back to healthy skin. And it also helps with the transepidermal water loss. Oh, I even see that in less amount, there are different types of hyaluronic acid. There is hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic acid. Now these all are helping to hydrate the skin, but you have to apply it in a way, you have to damp your skin and then apply the hyaluronic acid, because it can draw out water from the deep layers of the skin. So when you apply hyaluronic acid, make sure that your skin is damp. If you skip that and you apply hyaluronic acid on the dry skin, it can lead to more dryness. Then in less amount, there is squalene. It is derived from plant or maybe from the shark liver, but squalene play essential role in moisturizing the skin and also helping to bring back that healthy skin barrier. Squalene is mostly like oil-based, so it's an emollient. It protects the skin from the external stressors and acts as an antioxidant to remove the free radicals flawlessly. I did even see that there are different plant extracts here in lesser amount. There is curcuma, that is turmeric root extract. There is eggplant fruit and apricot fruit extract. Oh my god, I see that there is bergamot fruit oil. Okay, bergamot fruit oil is the worst ingredient ever. Bergamot fruit oil does have a fragrance to it. That's why it's the worst, because it is an irritant. If I had to reformulate this particular formulation, I would remove the bergamot fruit oil. And usually plant extracts are high in antioxidant property, but not everyone reacts well with the plant extract. People do have allergies, and sometimes when you apply it to the skin, you can see that the skin is turning red, and even when you do patch test, you can see. So my suggestion is to do a patch test and see how it is responding to your skin. Usually I'm not a big fan of, fragrance ingredient into the skincare routine, and this is a moisturizer. Now moisturizers should moisturize the skin. That's the purpose of moisturizer. But if there is fragrance into the moisturizer, it cannot be used by dry skin type, because dry skin already has a compromised skin barrier. There is already a huge amount of transepidermal water loss, and the skin is not able to hold water. And on top of that, when you apply bergamot fruit extract or anything that is like fragrance, it can lead to contact dermatitis. Basically, what they did in this formulation is that they use like different types of plant extract, they used the different types of humectants, they used peptides, they used amino acid, they used vitamin C. There is 3-ethylascorbic acid also. It's a type of vitamin C, more stable, and it is well tolerated, but it is, I don't understand, it's like mix of all. You need to understand that the skincare formulation should be very simple. I'm not saying that it's a bad formulation in general. There are some ingredients which can be replaced or maybe removed, which is not essential. Even when you see their website and you see like what all they are claiming, like all skin types can use it, it is really good. Yes, it is good, but peptides can be used by, aging skin, and squalene for the dry skin type. What about the fragrance ingredients? It's not good for any skin type because it is just not well tolerated by everyone. The purpose of this channel is zero irritation for everyone because I don't want to suggest any cream which can cause irritation for you. I like simple ingredient list which is straightforward to the point, like the Ordinary brand or the Minimalist brand. They are very straightforward to the point. They don't mix up millions of ingredients and give you one product that maybe will be useful for you or maybe not. You're just not sure because there are different ingredients. I think this formulation can be done better, but Peach and Lily should consider that. And I think that the formulation is okay to use for the people who have normal to oily skin or combination skin, but it's not for dry skin type for sure because of the fragrance ingredient, because it might react. Fragrance is not like a bad thing, but I don't like fragrance personally because constant use of fragrance can lead to contact dermatitis, and that is not a good sign. So for my viewers, I like to give them zero irritation, so I don't want to suggest any formulation with irritant, that is fragrance. So I would not suggest this for all of them. But if you like this product and you still love using it and continue using it, it's not a problem because it's your choice at the end of the day. Okay, I covered all the points, I believe. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below or else reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will come back to you with answers. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.